Hey friends, if you are browsing in your Google Chrome and you encounter this error, 500 internal server error, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can fix that. So, we need to bring up our Google Chrome browser first. So, in the Windows search bar, type here CHROME. Best match, Google Chrome, click on that. Now here in your Google Chrome window, you need to locate the three dots. You can find that in the top right corner. This is to customize and control Google Chrome. You have to click on that. Then simply scroll down and you'll find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. You have to click on that. On the left pane in the list of options, scroll down and you will find reset settings. That's under system. Click on that. Restore settings to the original defaults. Click on that. This action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete the cookies and other temporary site data. Click on Reset Settings. Once done, on the left pane again, click on About Chrome. We also need to make sure that our Google Chrome is updated. So here, Chrome is up to date and that is a good thing. Then scroll up and you will find privacy and security. That's under autofill and passwords, the one with the shield symbol. Click on that. Then under privacy and security, the first option is delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Click on this. Now you have two ways on how you can delete browsing data. We have basic and advanced. Now go with the advanced and you'll find time range. You have the option last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. So if you're going to choose last hour, what will be deleted will only be for the last hour. Last 24 hours, the browsing data that will be deleted will only be for the last 24 hours, also for 7 days and 4 weeks. So to summarize all of the first options, you need to choose all time. Browsing history checked, download history checked, cookies and other site data checked, cached images and files, check. Passwords and other sign-in data, do not check that. Autofill form data, do not check that. Site settings, check. Hosted app data, check. And finally, click on delete data. Once done, simply close your Google Chrome browser. And then in the Windows search bar, type here Control Panel. Best match, Control Panel. Click on that. Now here you need to view this into categories. If this is viewed by large icons, simply change this to category and you'll find network and internet. Click on that. You'll find network and sharing center. Click on that. Then here you'll find your Wi-Fi. Click on that. Then in the Wi-Fi status, you will have this properties. Click on this. Then here in the Wi-Fi properties, you need to look for the Internet Protocol version 4 or the TCP IPv4, this one. Click on properties. And in the IPv4 properties, you will have this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. We are going to use the Google's DNS server address. So for the preferred DNS server, type here 8.8.8.8. The dots are already given, so you just have to type the numbers. For the alternate DNS server, type here 8.8.4.4 and click on OK. And then close all these windows. And then just simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So once you have restarted your Windows, launch and open your Google Chrome browser again. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.